Imagine a world where your environment works for you, where comfort, safety, and efficiency are continually optimized. Monitor, alarm, schedule, and trend any system to save energy, reduce costs, detect failures, and enhance comfort. Our cutting-edge sensors seamlessly integrate into your space, providing peace of mind without the hassle. No wires to connect or maintain. No Wi-Fi connection needed. No worries, just dependable data. Hassle-free installation, just peel, stick, and click. Get notified when doors, windows, or lockers are accessed. Detect water and gas leaks before they become disasters. Reduce insurance premiums and ensure safety. Optimize waste management with precise level monitoring. Streamline agriculture operations by tracking water and feed tank levels. Create your own microclimate station with soil and weather monitoring. Whether it's a single office or a sprawling industrial complex, our system grows with your needs. Let's build a world where technology enhances every aspect of your environment. Connect with us today and step into a smarter tomorrow. Visit us at Enerlon.com or call 888-363-7566 for a free assessment of your commercial building.